Today I'm going to be teaching you a uber glam glittery eye makeup look.
Let's begin with doing concealing under the eye. Next, use the foundation and apply it all over the face. Blend it with a blending brush to give a beautiful flawless finish. Using a flat brush, now set your under eye and face with a loose powder. Let's contour the face by drawing lines on your jaw, your cheekbones, nose and forehead to give you a perfect chiseled look. Use a flat contour brush to now blend the contour lines to give you that beautiful shaded effect. Remember to blend the contour perfectly so that you don't see any specific lines and it looks beautifully merged. Now let's give a nice pretty blush to your cheeks. Apply with a blush brush and apply it only on the cheekbones, not on the apples of your cheek, since we're not doing the sun-kissed look and doing a uber glam look. Now let's highlight the face at the cheekbones, the nose, the chin and the forehead to give that ultra glam look. Use a spoolie brush to brush your brows and fill the gaps to create a nice classic brow look. Now let's get to the eyes. Use a round fluffy brush, a blending brush to contour the corners of your eye with a dark brown eyeshadow. Fill the lid with a neutral brown shadow on which we will be applying the glitter. Now to get that classic glitter look, place a little bit of glitter on the center of your eye so that we can blend it either with your finger or with a brush to cover the entire eyelid. This is a buildable step. If you want a little more glittery eyes, just add some additional amount of glitter and blend it again so that you have an ultra glittery eye. Now take your fluffy blending brush again to blend out the contour and merge your glitter and your eyeshadow to give a flawless look. It's time to line your eyes. Use any kajal pencil and draw a soft line on the top lid. Now blend it with a blending brush, which is a small soft brush, and give a smoked out eyeliner look. Repeat the same thing in your lower lash line as well. Just draw a line and blend it out to give a little smoky effect on the lower lash line as well. Now use a highlighter color to highlight the underbrow area where you fill in and then blend it back again with your fluffy blending brush which we used for the first time. Now use the same highlighter to highlight the inner corners of your eye to make them look more bright and opened up. Now fill your waterline with a black kajal pencil to give a more accentuated look. Now use a mascara and falsies to finish the eye look. You can also blend a little bit more of kajal if you see any gaps anywhere to make the look perfect. Now let's finish the entire look with a beautiful nude shade of peach and pink mixed so that we can create the perfect glam look with your glittery eyes. And that's the final look. Hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial.
Do like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.